The modern world is a little different than the world which I came from. At one time, there was far more to discover, and so it was easy to stumble upon something very important. And when I first started out, there was very little information about the interaction between T cells and virus infection. We were the first people to describe the relevance of regulatory T cells during virus pathogenesis.
That contribution to veterinary medicine and to medicine was career-breaking. And then he got involved with herpes simplex virus.
And so I turned to the almighty mouse.
He was one of the first scientists to use genetically engineered mice. He's been able to secure NIH support for all 40+ years that he has been here.
I always got paid for how much you did rather than the hours which you did it in. And so I'm very competitive.
One of the things that Dr. Rouse has done to keep himself on the cutting edge of the field is constantly being open to new things.
I was privileged to be on the very first study section, which was looking for the cause of this new disease, AIDS. So I was there at the start of that story. I was one of the original workers in the DNA vaccine field.
His interest in vaccines is because it's the end game of the diseases that he works with. And his job as a virologist and an immunologist is to try to develop the technology that will protect us all.
And so those contributions from Dr. Rouse have generated more than 400 publications, allowed the creation of some 80 new young scientists.
He has as much enthusiasm today for the work that he does and for science in general as he did back when I was a new student coming into his laboratory.
I've been very fortunate in my almost 80 trainees, having a number of them who are willing to prove me wrong, and in so doing, open up a new area where both of us flourish. And I love to be proved wrong. I always fear in being proven correct when we're both wrong.
His pursuit of excellence, I think, is best exemplified by his way he treated his students. And that is, he was demanding, but he provided opportunities as well.
And as a result of that, people that he's trained and mentored are in key positions all over the world. He hopes, as a scientist, that his mentees far exceed what he's been able to do in his career.